something to guide your way. Even if you're too scared to follow, there's a light in each new day. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we're finding there's more than one way to go home.
Here we are in the breathtaking embrace of the Hoh Rainforest to celebrate a truly special moment, the union of Chrystal and Joe. Nature has played a starring role in Chrystal and Joe's love story, which makes their ceremony's venue nothing short of perfect for the beginning of this next chapter. Joe, I will always remember the way I felt when I saw you walking up to me in the lobby of the insurance arena with your perfectly styled hair and black jeans and black chucks with a giant grin on your face. And looking back, my entire life changed in that one moment. And what started out as the guy I was too shy to talk to at the gym over almost 6 years has turned into the man I love, respect, value, trust, appreciate, and admire.
Chrystal, I want to start by telling you how special the past nearly 6 years have been to me. We both view the world through a different lens than most people, and I'm very grateful to have found someone so similar to me. I truly feel as though I have found my soulmate and perfect partner for life. This place that we are in is full of life, and I'm excited for our life to flourish like our surroundings.
I'm so beyond excited for our future together. I look forward with optimism to the new experiences and opportunities that we will have together and the people that we will grow into. I want to thank you for approaching life with authenticity, honesty, and love. And thank you for letting me be myself fully and unapologetically, and for loving me for who I am. For the rest of this life that we get to share together, I promise to always appreciate the qualities that make you who you are and never wish that you were anything else. I promise to always be supportive of your dreams. I promise to never stop joking around and saying the dumbest things that anyone has ever said just to make us laugh. And I promise to always listen to you talk for hours about hockey and anything else that you're passionate about, because I love the things that make you who you are. I love you to your core, and I feel pure happiness when I envision the life ahead of us, and I am so grateful to take this journey with you.
Loving you has been so easy every single day, and I can't wait to see what more we will accomplish together. I will do my part by promising the following to you. I promise to always try to be the best version of myself for you. I promise to give my best effort to understand your wants and needs. I promise to return the abundant love that you give to me every day. I promise that every decision I'll make with our best interest at heart as a team. I promise to not bore you too much by talking about hockey all the time. For the rest of our lives, I will continue to love you the way that I have loved you for the last 6 years. I love you, Chrystal.
If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining.